AiRCO has created the 4-step promise to safeguard your family during service calls. Step 1, we notify you via call or text when at curbside, thus avoiding person-to-person contact. Step 2, our technician will wear masks and gloves when coming into your house. Step 3, we will maintain social distancing at all times. Step 4, all paperwork and authorizations will be handled through email. Contact us at 512-537-1234 or home service at aircomechanical.com.